Market will always goes up no matter what, but you need to be stick to it. If you have money, invest, start investing. That will be the right choice. If you don't have money, okay, go get some money, come back, start investing. Instead of putting hundreds and thousands of dollars in your saving account, put that in your investment account. The reason is your saving accounts can give you maximum up to 4%. But let's say even if it's the best thing, they can give up to 5%. But within that 5%, 2% is again the inflation. 2 to 3% is inflation. So you are just making 2 to 3%. Again, out of 5%, your income is 2% or 3% based on the inflation or the country you are living in. So I'm not telling you anything. Don't panic. You are in the right track. Just start investing.